Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain you the unboxing and impression video of Realme C55, which is a very powerful phone in a mid-range segment. So I think Realme offered us the phone in this segment, which is more amazing. I just don't know how amazing, but if you see the full video, that is a full unboxing and impression video of Realme C55, then you will definitely judge that what I actually just want to see from the first time of video. So, as you can see that I already purchased this Realme C55, and this phone I got from Flipkart, and that is 664. That means 6 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM, and which is about 13,000. It's close about. So right now, when the phone launched in India, it launched with a pre-order system, and I ordered the phone. So now the phone finally delivered for me, and I will want to see that how the phone is really amazing in the real world. So for that reason, I think that we will have a chance to make the unboxing and impression video of Realme C55. So for that reason, I decided to unbox the Realme C55. So let's see that how this will actually in the amazing, that is actually more glossy in the real life or in the real stem or in the real situation. So let's see.
as you can see that we unbox the Realme C55 handset, and as you can see that the configuration what we get is that on the rear side we get 64 and 8 megapixel camera, and on the front we get 8 megapixel camera, and on the top side we get nothing. On the back side we get Type-C port, speaker, microphone and 3.5 headphone jack, and on the right side we get volume, power minus button and power button, and on the left side we get simulator tool, and the back side is looking more glossy and amazing. As you can see that first time we reboot the phone, so let's see the phone has some charge, and let's see how the phone looking more glossy and impressive after the booting. As you can see that we unbox the Realme C55 handset and we get a transparent case, so let's apply that case. So as you can see, after applied the case, it's looking more supportive.
So guys, as you see that we record the video in 1080p at 60 fps, and this recording via Realme C55. So what do you think about this one? This is a small sample of the Realme C55 video capturing, which is very nice, and I think um, I think this would really impressive to for everyone. Sorry, to the any angle of what you actually think about it. So no lag or anything what I actually see in this video. So that's very much comfortable for me. Guys, as you see that this is a front video, that means front camera capturing video from Realme C55, and audio is recording via its internal microphone. So nice view. Actually, we don't get so much background on this one on this area, so I just shoot this area to that means this place because it's a working place. But as you see that no lag or anything or any jitterness which I actually noticed in this video. So nothing happened on this video, nothing jitter or anything. So the video is very much smooth as you see, and it's looking more glossy because of the AMOLED screen from Realme C55. So I think that this phone is very much very much amazing for me when I taste this one for first time. So that's that's amazing, and that's recording in 1080p from selfie camera. So what do you think? Let me know, and if you like, please subscribe our YouTube channel. That means please subscribe my YouTube channel as below the stick.
So guys, as you see that this is Realme C55. So what do you think about this Realme C55? I think that is more amazing in the real world performance, and also the fluidity is more high. As you see that the screen offers us 90 Hz display rate, but it's looking like the 120 Hz or 144 Hz is touch about 144 Hz. So I think 90 Hz is more fluid on this phone, and Realme also claim that this is as you see in the box that 64 megapixel AI camera, 33 watts Supervooc charge, 5 mAh battery, 5000 mAh massive battery, and 90 Hz FSD plus display, and also the chipset is MediaTek G88, which is a very powerful chipset in this segment which Realme actually offered. So I think Realme finally introduced their mid-range segment smartphone, which is really impressive for me when I actually got the phone and I tasted it. So after I taste the phone, I think the phone is really smooth and really, as you see that no jitter or anything in this phone which I actually noticed. So and some hot games that is held in every mid-range smartphone apps. That is every mid-range smartphone software. But like any other bloatware, as you see, is pre-installed. Not pre-installed in this phone, not so much. So that's Realme C55. So what do you think? If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. And also you can see, as you can see that they offered a case which is nowadays missing on more premium mid-range on more premium smartphone or mid-range smartphone. But the cases are transparent case, but that is nice on this one. So as you can see that without the case, this is looking more glossy, and also the color is changing on this phone. So as you can see that I just turned the phone and that is changed the color. That is more impressive nowadays, and every company introduce these features, but Realme is go ahead, as you can see. So that's Realme C55. What do you think about this Realme C55? If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.